right. Amen. Now, I have a clip that I desire to show the people of God only because I believe that it's going to be necessary so that you can understand the gist of what has got me to the point where it really bothers me because this should not be part of the church. It should not be in the church. It shouldn't be around the church. Classically, I would say it's the devil. Um, so I can only say that it is the devil. This is absolutely the enemy coming in the front doors, the windows, every place, because and many of us would probably say, well, it's people and their behavior. Yeah, but it's demonic in its nature. And we're going to talk about that. But let me show you this clip. That way we'll see exactly uh, what we're talking about. All right, let's take a look at this.
So sick and tired of seeing effeminate men running and ruling and reigning in the church. So sick and tired, even men that are married and have children, and they're effeminate, they're acting like women.
You notice these men shout like women. And they behind us bouncing and jumping like women's. When I was growing up, men didn't shout like that. But that spirit is taking over.
In this day and age, it's becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish between the church and what could be likened to a demonic shrine.
Brothers, we wearing our pants too tight. Them little bitty suits is worrying me. Them ones that's high waters that's cut all up in here so we can count how many you got down there. Something is wrong. Little jackets that's too little, look like you just put on little Ray Ray's clothes or something and came to church. I'm not hearing y'all talk to me. To the point, even your little dance scare me. The way you shout scare me. Your knees too close to be a man. Oh, I'm not getting nobody to talk to me right now. Maybe I gotta look down here on the monitor because let me get tipping when you shout. Open up your legs and shout like a man. Y'all better come over here and say something.
Within the walls of the church, we have noticed a trend where worldly fashions have made their way into the congregation. People now feel at ease wearing skin-tight dresses, torn jeans, and casual